Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Monzo PIN number in 2025. For that, first of all, you just have to simply open your Monzo application and then log into your account. Now you can get the reminder of your PIN by following these steps, where you need to tap on the card button on the affected account and you will see the option of reveal PIN. Then you need to follow the steps that you will need your card and your ID and to take a selfie video. We will never ask for your PIN, long card number or any 3 digits from the back of your card. So please keep this a secret even from the Monzo customer service team. Once we have verified your identity, we will show you a reminder of your PIN. So this is how you can just reveal your PIN with the help of the Monzo mobile application by going in the Monzo card section, and there you will see the reveal PIN option. Now before revealing the PIN, it will ask you to actually verify your account. So you need to do that and you are done. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.